This example, we're continuing with Chapter 11, Section 11.1, Part C. We're talking about dilations and similarity in the coordinate plane. And for example 1, Part A, we want to find the scale factor for the dilations below. So let's look at our picture here. Notice that I have A, B, and C on my smaller triangle. And then I have A prime and B prime and C prime in the larger triangle. So this dilation is making an enlargement. So our scale factor should be a number that's larger than 1. So remember, sometimes we'll call this one the original, or maybe the parent. And this one here will be the image, or sometimes we'll call it the child. So our scale factor, we talked about last video, is a measurement from the image over a measurement from the original. Or in this case, we're going to be using coordinates. So we can use x coordinates or we can use y coordinates, and we have 3 different points that we can choose from. So I'm going to start by using a and a prime. So here's a and here's a prime, and since our x and y coordinates are the same, it really doesn't matter what we use. So a coordinate from the image would be -4, and its matching coordinate from the original, point A, is -2, which reduces to 2 over 1. So our scale factor is 2 over 1, which basically means that everything in the original figure has been doubled to get the new figure, the image. Alright, let's just look at one more pair of coordinates. So let's take a look at C. So here's C and here's C prime. So a coordinate for my image would be 4. I'm going to use the y coordinate this time. And that matching coordinate, the corresponding coordinate from the original, would be 2. And again, we could see this reduces to 2 over 1. So you have lots of options for how to get your scale factor. Just make sure that you put something from the image in the numerator and then something from the denominator, or from the original in the denominator. All right, if you have questions, make sure you get those answered, and we'll see you in the next example.